Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we are here to unenvelope the brand new card in my stable, the Chase Ink Business Cash. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let the kid do her thing, and then we're gonna get right into it.
Welcome back to my dad's channel. If you're new here, make sure to click that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to share.
So I wanna start this out by talking about a little city in Ohio called Westerville. Now, here are a couple of facts about Westerville, Ohio. And trust me, before you click and go away, this is actually going somewhere. I didn't lie to you. This is still an unboxing video. But Westerville, Ohio has about 40,000 residents. And funny thing is that's a place where Prohibition almost started 100 plus years ago, because it's known as the driest city in the world because of their stringent laws against alcohol, which some of them still exist today. Now, the third and most important fact that I want to bring to you is that is where the Chase Card Fulfillment Center is. So whenever you apply for a card, chances are, 9 times out of 10, you are going to get a very nondescript letter from none other than Westerville, Ohio. A letter like this one. Booyah. Letter goodness. Okay, all right, okay. Well, you get the point. But that is where Chase will send your letters out. Now, this is going to be an unenveloping video, as I've said before, but let's just face it, they're all pretty much the same. Now, this is the part where I point over my right shoulder and I tell you, hey, check out this video because it's very similar to my Chase Ink Business Unlimited unboxing. And this is the part where you look and you hear me say that and you just keep watching because you're not going to check anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and include that just so that you can see. Here is the card. See how I did that? See how you still saw it? That saves me from having to do it here. So I can actually speed through this part. So now here's my envelope. And instead of going through one by one, let's just go ahead and gut the thing and get right to the part that everybody's interested in. The actual card. And here it is. Sorry, remove my finger. Let's get in the light, get a little reflection. So this card's actually very similar looking to the Business Unlimited, but for the most part, it's just more gray. So of course, you have all the other mumbo jumbo, which we can't really jazz up, even though I can jazz you up with a lot of my experiences with the card. Agreements. We have purchasing stuff. And some more letters and privacy. And there we go. That is our abridged unboxing. So let's get to the part that's important. Why is it that I wanted this card? I wanted this card for the great sign-up bonus of 90,000 Chase UR points for $6,000 worth to spend within 3 months, which is better than my original sign-up bonus with the Business Unlimited, which was 75,000 UR points for $7,500 in the same 3-month period. So now with this, going forward, we're going into tax season, so this is going to be a great way to pay for my taxes to be done and any taxes that I may owe, and that will get us to our sub. I am on the tail end of my business preferred, so I'm not really worried about anything else. This card is not coming with me to Paris, so I will be spending it here in the good old US of A on monthly expenses. We shouldn't have any problem hitting this sub, so I'm pretty happy. Now, in addition to that, the benefits on the card, well, let's start with the multipliers. It's going to be 5x back at office supply stores and with internet providers, phone service, and so on and so forth. Trust me, you guys have been around, you know what I'm trying to say. But that's up to $25,000, and then after that, it's 1x. Now, in addition to that, you get 2x points back at restaurants and gas station purchases, and all other stuff is 1x. I like the Business Cash because it is the segue, it is the gap between the preferred and the unlimited. Unlimited being your catch-all, your preferred being your quasi-travel, intense business with an annual fee card that does a couple of extra things. Because for the most part, the Business Cash, after we get through the multipliers here, has a lot of the same travel protections, which are kind of minuscule as the unlimited, purchase protections, which are more robust, but it doesn't have the cell phone insurance, even though it has the largest cell phone points generating machine. So that's a little, off, but either way, it still ticks the box. Other than that, it's a great no annual fee business card to have, and like with the majority, if not all Chase cards, you can get additional users and employee cards for no additional cost. Now, I was pretty happy because I actually got the card yesterday and I already started using it. I was able to get some sale items at Staples. And speaking of Staples, understand that this card can actually be a gift card machine. Once you hit your sub, you can actually use this to get gift cards from Staples and things like that, because Chase isn't as sensitive as American Express to it. So that way you can do your shopping, get your 5X, everyone's happy, and you can maintain a low balance that you can pay off every single month, because even though this is not on your personal credit, it is still on your business credit, which you must take care of. Because remember, when you tank your business credit, you make it your business to tank your personal credit all at the same time. That is a 2-for-1 deal. So those are the kind of bargains that we're not looking for on this channel. So with this acquisition, I've managed to complete the Chase Ink Business Trifecta. That is what I am calling it. I hope I innovated it, but chances are somebody's already called it this. So let's just roll with it. So that being the Chase Ink Business Unlimited, the Chase Ink Business Preferred, and finally, the Chase Ink Business Cash. Now, the best part about this trifecta, which is now complete, is that for a purely business standpoint, which, we're going to keep this as close to the honest spectrum as possible. But from a purely business standpoint, these 3 cards pretty much tick all the boxes. You have 2X at restaurants, you have 2X at gas. Okay, now you can get around, now you can eat. The Business Preferred, you have 3X on online social media marketing, basically ads and things like that. So now you have your advertisement. You have 3X on travel. There you go. You have primary CDW, which all three of these cards share. So if you travel, you can rent cars and not have to worry about getting the extra insurance. You have travel protection, baggage protection, trip delay protection. All of those things are included. And I'm going to do another video about the Ink Trifecta in more detail, but this is just giving you a segue just to let you know that, you can push right into that. And with all things considered, you get 3 very robust cards that all earn Chase UR points that are transferable, that you can get out to travel partners or utilize for cash back, and it costs $95. That's it. One thing about Chase, they're cheap, but their points retain a lot of value. So just remember that, and I want to thank you for watching my unenveloping, my unconventional unboxing of the Chase Ink Business Cash. And a new thing that I'm going to be introducing, because it's sort of my tagline, sort of my trade thing, is about not leaving money on the table. We'll skip the cutaway, but the fact is that this card, with its multipliers and the glue that it uses to hold together, as of right now, as a broad reference, I'm going to give this 4 out of 5 gimme that's, to make sure that we all know using this card helps to not leave any money on the table. So thank you so much for sticking around. Do me a favor, leave me a hashtag gimme that in the comments. Just let me know that you were here. Show a little love. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. And until next time, I'll see you later.